So we continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 9, the living organisms, characteristics and habitats. And today we will discuss some more adaptations. So let's begin. Forest or grassland, a large area of land covered mainly with trees and plants is called a forest, and a large area of grass covered land used for grazing is called grassland. There are few trees or places for animals to hide in grassland habitats. Due to this, speed is important for animals which live in grassland habitats so that they can run away from their enemies. Adaptation in lion for grassland and forest habitat. The lion is a carnivorous animal which eats only the meat of the other animals. The lion is adapted to the grassland and forest habitat in the following ways. The lion is strong, fast and agile animal which can hunt and kills its prey like deer. The lion has long, strong and sharp claws in its front legs to catch its prey. The lion can withdraw the claws inside the toes so that they do not become worn out and blunt when it walks. The lion has eyes in front of its head which enables it to have a correct idea of the location of its prey. This helps it in catching the prey. The lion is light brown in color. This color helps the lion to hide in a dry grassland when it hunts for prey. Adaptation in deer. The deer is a herbivorous animal which eats only the plant materials. Deer is another animal which live in forest and grassland habitat. The deer is adapted to the forest and grassland habitat in the following ways. The deer has eyes on the side of its head which enables it to see in all directions at the same time. The all-round vision of the deer helps it to see animals like lion. The deer has big ears for good hearing. The big ears helps the deer to hear the movement of the predator like lion very easily. The deer is fast and agile animal. The speed of deer helps it to run away from the predators like lion which try to catch it. The deer has strong teeth for chewing the hard plant parts of the forest. Aquatic habitat. The habitat having water all around are called aquatic habitats. The important aquatic habitats are oceans, ponds, lakes and rivers. Ocean. A very large area of sea is called ocean. Oceans or sea is an aquatic habitat having water all around. Let us understand few adaptations in animals living in the aquatic habitat of ocean. Many sea animals have a streamlined body to help them move in sea water easily. For example, fish, dolphins, and whales living in the sea also have a streamlined bodies. Some sea animals like squid and octopus do not have streamlined body shape, but when squid and octopus move in sea water, they make their body streamlined. Such animals stay deeper in the ocean near the seabed and catch any prey that move towards them. The streamlined shape of a sea animal is an adaptation for swimming in water. Most of the sea animals have gills which enables them to use oxygen dissolved in water for breathing. The fish, squids and octopus living in sea water all have gills to help them extract oxygen dissolved in water for breathing. However, some sea animals like dolphins and whales do not have gills and they breathe in through nostrils called blowholes, which are located on the upper parts of their heads. They breathe in when they come out of the surface of the water through nostril. Ponds, lakes and rivers. Ponds, lakes and rivers are freshwater aquatic habitats. We can see many plants growing in this water. Plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. Adaptation in aquatic plant. In aquatic plant, roots are poorly developed to avoid getting damaged from water current. Stems are hollow, long and light, and the leaves are flat, broad and covered by the waxy layer which help them float and prevents the plant from decay. Example of some aquatic plant like lotus and water hyacinth. Animals adapted to live in water and land. The animals like frogs have pond as their habitat. Frogs can live inside water as well as on the land near the pond. Frogs spend most of their time on land but comes back to water to lay their eggs. Frogs are adapted to live inside water as well as on land in following ways. They have strong back legs that help them in leaping and catching their prey, and they have webbed feet that help them swim in water.